It's okay. It's okay, mi amor.
I can't even do the most.
Yes, you can. You know? Because you're a very smart, hard-trying little boy. And I know you will do it because you're very strong.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Monkey bars.
Yes, you can. Do it for your puppy. Okay? Who you gonna do it for?
My puppy.
Who's your puppy?
Puppy Yoni.
Okay. Do it for him.
Right now?
Right now.
I hope I could do it. Ah, come on. Ow. But I don't want to do these.
You wanna... Come on. Those are too high.
Swing. Get me up. Swing me. Then when I'm done, you can put me down.
That high?